playing my video, and now should I skip my ad? Should I watch it? I'll be honest, I watch my ad so that I get more revenue. Actually, you don't need to completely watch the ad. You can just click on one of these buttons and then you can skip the ad. Thank you to all my ad watchers. By the way, the reason I'm playing this video is I wanted to show you something. I think somewhere around 9. You see this? 9:37. It got inverted. This is what happens when you're in a hurry. This is what happens when you're doing daily vlogs. I need to go to the gym for 2 hours. I need to be with Naisha. I need to spend time with my family. I need to take care of my bikes. I need to take care of my cars. Too much of tension, too much of work here. So these things happen. Just kidding. I somehow missed seeing that. Welcome to daily vlogs. As of now, I'm not sure till when I can do it. Right now, I'm having a little bit of time. I'm not going out much because of this super hot summer. Literally 40 degrees it seems Hyderabad already. But I think tomorrow we'll have to go out. And even today I'm planning to go out because I'm getting really bored here. I can't stay at home for more than 24 hours. And it's been almost 4 days. 4 into 24 hours since I've stepped out of this house. Nayorabi. I need to get out. But not now. Not in this heat. Once again, I did not go to the gym today as well because 24 hours ka gap. Last evening I went to the gym. Did proper hardcore high intensity leg workout. I put it on Instagram stories already. In case you didn't see, you can see. This is the reason I tell you to follow me on Instagram. In case you're not doing it, do that now. Right now you can see that Instagram ID. Just go hit follow, simple. It's really free, no need to pay anything. Even here there's a red button here. In case it's still red, make it gray so that you subscribe to me. That is also free, absolutely free. Abhi to legs are not paining yet, but definitely in the next 7 or 8 hours they'll properly ache. And yes, I'm jadu maruing. I have to do this because yesterday I unboxed everything here, right? And I just left it. We don't have a maid here who will come and clean the house. We do our own stuff. And especially in this corona season, it is a little bit risky to hire a maid and all. Good cardio as well. No worries. Okay, it seems in the morning today someone put this to the gate and went. Really appreciate your love towards me, but you shouldn't be doing this, bro, because I've seen a lot of letters like this lying on the road for which I feel very bad about. But still, heartfully, I appreciate this. Come on, this is digital age. You can send me an Instagram message. I'll definitely read it. You people might think I'm not reading it. Trust me, I read it. The legs are not paining yet, but definitely in the next 7 or 8 hours they'll properly ache. Yes, that is how it is after 7 hours. Actually 7 hours, it will take at least 20 hours to get to that situation. But yesterday I went extra hardcore. You've seen that 8 plates total. Each plate was 25 kilos, almost exactly 200 kilos. A very stressful workout. Ekdam thagda sa, proper hardcore. And especially when it comes to working out your legs, lowers, that is the most boring thing. I like doing legs once in a while, but once every week, little bit difficult. But that is one thing you shouldn't be missing. Lowers are very important. You have to give full focus towards your legs. So in case you're someone who is ignoring legs, don't do that, dude. You look like Johnny Bravo. I just wanted to demonstrate something. Actually, I think I demonstrated this long before when I got the car first. So the Kia Seltos, or I think even the Sonet, you get an app called Yuvo app. This particular Kia's Yuvo app, you can start your car, you can do a couple of functions, you can track your car wherever it is. This comes really handy when I'm flying somewhere and when I leave my car at the airport. I keep checking on it once in a while. I mean, it is very safe in the airport, but still, you know, because you have the app, you can utilize it, right? Aeroplane. Oh yes. This is a proper curse. I'm even bored of saying this 100 times. Whenever I vlog, there'll definitely be a flight. The reason I'm bringing this up once again is I feel now the Yuvo app is working properly. It is kind of seamless. Recently, you guys remember, right? We went to Bangalore. So I left my car at Pooja's house and I gave these keys to Pooja so that in case they wanted to move the car. Anyways, after finishing my trip in Bangalore, came back to Pooja's house to pick my car. The keys were up, but the car is down and there's a lot of luggage with me. Before going up, I wanted to remove the luggage and put it in the car, but we did not have the keys. It was upstairs. So instead of going up, getting the keys and all that, I remembered there is this Yuvo app on my phone. I don't need the keys for this. I can unlock the car using the app itself. The car was in the cellar in -2 and still it worked. Usually Yuvo app works with the signal. The car is also installed with the Yuvo app and that should have signal. I'll show you in a second. I don't know if I was lucky, but that day there was signal and I could unlock the car from the phone itself, go put all my stuff inside the car, and then I went up. Otherwise I had to carry this camera, my bag, my suitcase, all that stuff. Again go up, get the keys down. You get the point, right? So the thing is, it is working seamlessly. The reason I'm getting this up is I told you that the app is useless, not that great, but when it's working I have to update you with that, right? Jo acha hai, we have to admit it is good. And this really comes handy, especially in summers when you're parking your car somewhere in the cellar, in a parking lot, even inside your house. You get ready properly, but you go down, your car is in the sun, it's hot. That is the time exactly when this comes handy. What you can do is, you can go here, click on this. You have a couple of options: start engine, lock, unlock, climate settings. This is the thing we'll be talking about. Horn plus lights. This is basically car finder. If you park it somewhere and you don't find your car, you can use this so that it keeps beeping, keeps flashing lights so that you can find your car in the cellar. Climate settings. You can set the temperature what you want. In vehicle temperature 20 degrees. That's the perfect duration, how much time the car should be on. Front defroster heating. Now let's confirm this and see if it is working or not. If it doesn't work, don't let me down, dude. I'm giving a nice demonstration to my audience. Usually when I demonstrate such stuff, it flops. Engine start. Oh, there is a pin that you have to give. Otherwise anyone with your phone can start it. I gave the pin. You have successfully sent your remote command. Soon you will receive the result. Let's see. Let's get out and see if the car starts. By the way, car should be locked if you want to do this. Is my car locked? I think it is locked. There you go. Now not only car started, but even the AC should be working inside. So car is gonna get pre-cooled. 18 degrees. I did not set 18 degrees. I wanted 20 degrees. I can see 18 degrees there. So ideally this is how it works, and it works really well. In the beginning when I tried to use the app, it used to take a lot of time. It never started. Sometimes it used to fail. But these days, every single time it's working. Good job, Kia. Yeah, it is not going to be instant. You need to wait for maybe 30 seconds, sometimes up to a minute. Unlock. Okay, still waiting. Car ban bhi ho gaya, which means 2 minutes khatam. There you go. It unlocked. Let's see if it is cool inside. Oh yes, but it is not that cool, so I think I have to set the timer to at least 5 minutes so that it is cool by the time I go there. Very good use of technology. Now let me show you the Yuvo signal on this. For this I need the key. Oh, by the way, Verna went under the cover for some days. Dad is also using the Kia only most of the time, because first thing is, he doesn't like the Kia much. He wanted the smaller car, which is the Verna. No, I know. It is not a smaller car. It is a bigger car in length when you compare it to the Kia Seltos. But then I will still consider the Kia Seltos to be bigger because of its height, because of its appearance. Now, iske liye we don't start arguing in the comment section, dudes. Okay, the first one is a phone battery indicator, because my phone is connected instantly. This is a Bluetooth that's also related to phone. This is the signal. And you see this one, Yuvo Plus. That is the Yuvo signal. Right now it is full. So your car is pre-fitted with Yuvo. Let me show you. You see this? If you have this badging, that means your car is fitted with Yuvo. Very good feature. I really like this. I told you, right, I wanted to go out today. Now it's not gonna happen. It is literally 40 degrees outside, clear blue skies, which is amazing to ride, but it is too hot. So I'm planning to take the bike today and go. Probably meet my friends almost literally 4 days into 24 hours ho gaya, which is making me mad. Chalo, we are ready and rocking. Let's hit the city after a long time. But before getting out, I wanted to show you something about the new screen. I mean, a new monitor. Now people will say it is not screen, it is monitor, computer ka monitor, it is not TV. You know, there's just one connection between the monitor and the laptop. That is the C-type, direct C-type to C-type cable, which is amazing. And one more amazing thing is this. Laptop is charging as well without any power connection. And the second cable is C-type to C-type once again. It is to transfer data from this camera to the laptop. It is very fast. So our time is around 5:30 in the evening. 6 o'clock plan is to get out from here, take this treatment, go in classic mode, and before that, if Naisha gets up, let's take on the vlog for a second, because that makes my vlog a little bit refreshing. Whenever she's in the vlog, there's a lot of love. Even when Pooja is there, it is special, but then Pooja is always busy, work. Look who's calling. My friends are ready to rock. What's up, bro? And look who is here. Ta-da! Okay. Wait. Naisha, how many days can you be at home without going out? Huh? तेरे को तो full time pass है basic stuff से. You get happy with all the smallest things. We need to go out, we need to eat junk food. Not me, but generally. We need to travel, we need to do that, we need to do this, don't run out. We need to do all this stuff to get excited for you. एक छोटा डब्बा दे दिया तो 2 days she'll play without getting bored. Look at that. Dettol के डब्बा से she can play for 1 full day. Nature, let's go down, come. Welcome to the house destroyed in Tufan. See all this mess? This is how it's gonna be when you have a 2-year-old. Almost 2-year-old. What's your age, Naisha? What's your age? Naisha, come here. Put all this back in a cover. Go. Good. Put all this. Come. Aditya, 24/4 ఎంత?
24/4 నేను చాలా టాపర్ మ్యాథ్స్లో 72.
24/4 is 72. అంటే మన అందరం మ్యాథ్స్ చాలా పూర్ రా.
నేను చాలా
సుజన్ గడ్ ఏమన్నా తెలుసు అప్పుడు 3/4 15 బాక్సెస్ ఉన్నాయిరా కన్ఫర్మ్గా చెప్పాడు. ఫైనలీ ఆఫ్టర్ 4 days of 24 hours I'm out. It feels so different. World is so beautiful. It feels fresh. I'm at home, dude. I didn't put my leg outside the gate. No, I went to the gym. Apart from that, nothing. I'm at home only. That is the reason today I wanted to meet you guys.
ఇంకొక వచ్చే 3 days ఇంట్లోనే ఉండు. మ్యాడ్ హీట్ వేవ్.
Oh yeah, that is there. Oh yes, heat. Already now it is like very hot while coming. And that way I came on the street when కింద మంచి తందూరి ఫ్యాన్ లానే పక్కనలో కూడా కొడుతుంది హీట్. Charan is also here. He is also dull. Doesn't Charan look like Pawan Kalyan today? ఇందాక పోజ్ అది కాదు, అది చెయ్యకూడదు ఇట్లా పెట్టి ఇలా అయితే ఫేక్ అనమాట, మర్చిపోయాడు. ఇందాక యాక్టింగ్ చేసాడు. చరణ్, వేర్స్ యువర్ బైక్ బ్రో?
It's in Bangalore, the bike we saw.
It's the one, exactly that bike is gonna come.
It's the same one. I'm sure no one rode it because they didn't even give us.
Except us. అయితే how many days can you stay at home without stepping out max?
ట్రై చేయలేదురా, అంటే లాక్డౌన్ అప్పుడు.
అరే లాక్డౌన్ అప్పుడు అందరం ఉన్నాం, బట్ వీ నో దట్ ఇట్ ఇస్ అ లాక్డౌన్, వీ కాంట్ కమ్ అవుట్. బట్ నౌ వీ నో దట్ ఇట్ ఇస్ నాట్ అ లాక్డౌన్ అండ్ ఐ కుడెంట్ కమ్ అవుట్. వై డిడ్ంట్ ఐ కమ్ అవుట్? డోంట్ ఆస్క్. ఐ డోంట్ నో వై.
ఐ నో, మేబీ
అంటే ఎప్పుడు లేడు ఇట్ అట్లా.
ఎప్పుడు లేడురా.
దట్ ఈస్ ద థింగ్. I was also not there. Like, see, this is one problem.
Max 2 days.
I got used to traveling so much. 6 months. Last 6 months, 6 trips I did. Now suddenly to be at home, it is so difficult. I want to travel now also. There is one travel plan, bro, coming up soon. No, you can't come. No one can come. Only I am going special for me. I'll tell you guys later. I'll tell you now.
Okay.
Whether we are in this place called Few. One second. Okay, Aditya is getting distracted. When I am vlogging, usually I should get distracted while vlogging. Someone is talking, but ulta he's getting distracted. We came to this place Few, and every time we come here, mana perlu unnayara tables meeda, I mean chairs meeda. Exactly, Charan will sit there. I will sit here. He will sit there. Exactly. And he'll keep narrating some stories to him.
మధ్యలో
ఇట్లా vlog చేసుకుంటుంటా. బాగుందా
నీ ఫోటో ఒకటి చూపిస్తా ఆగు.
The fat photo.
లేదురా,
లడ్డు. ఇలాంటి వాళ్ళు నాకు స్ట్రేంజర్స్ చూపాక అట్లా
థండర్ థైస్ చూడు, కరీంనగర్.
ప్రీ కోవిడ్, ప్రీ లాక్డౌన్ ఎరా.
ఇంకోసారి షార్ట్ చెప్పరా, ప్రొఫైల్ చేసి పెడతా.
చరణ్ నైస్ థైస్ మసాలా పడాడు.
రన్నర్ థైస్ అంటారు.
రన్నర్ తైసా థండర్ తైసా మంచి డుకాటి స్క్రామ్లర్ కొన్నాక తొడలేసుకొని చెడ్డి వేసుకొని నడుపు చెప్తున్నా టెక్సీ ఉంటావు హైదరాబాద్లో.
స్ట్రీట్ మీద కూడా వేడి ఉంటుంది కదా, నువ్వు చెప్పు.
అండ్ బై ద వే వి కీప్ కమింగ్ హియర్ అ లాట్ టు దిస్ ప్లేస్ ఫ్యూ. హౌ ఇస్ ద ఫుడ్ హియర్? లెట్స్ రివ్యూ దెమ్.
Coffee is good, I like it. This is really
ద
good.
బెస్ట్ కాఫీ? నాట్ ద బెస్ట్ కాఫీ.
Nowhere in India. Not yet.
Charan likes coffee only in Paris, California, Paris. हमारा कॉफी घर पे बहुत अच्छा है. Take hot water, put some instant coffee powder, 2 spoons and you're good.
బాలేదన్న అప్పుడు చెప్తా.
Whatever we had till now, in that, is it good?
7.5, 8 out of 10.
Oh, that's decent, dude.
ఐ లైక్ ది సాల్టెడ్ క్యారమెల్ కుకీ.
అంత పెద్దగా ఉందేంట్రా?
బిస్కెట్ ఇంతే ఉంది.
పేరు పెద్దగా ఉంది, బిస్కెట్ చిన్నగా ఉంది. బట్ ఫుడ్ ఇస్ గుడ్. వన్ ఆఫ్ ద మెయిన్ రీజన్స్ ఐ కమ్ హియర్ ఇస్ బికాస్ వీ హ్యావ్ గ్రిల్ చికెన్.
మాకు దొరకదు ఇక్కడ. నీ వల్ల వస్తున్నాం ఇక్కడికి.
Correct. Because I get grilled chicken here. Nice, perfect quantity. My size at 250 grams. So overall rating for this place, FEU 8. For the ambience, vlog friendly, at least for us.
నీకు 8, మాకు 7.
8 because of my chicken, 7 because food choice is less. But desserts are good here. Try one dessert today. I'm eating my typical grilled chicken with Szechuan sauce. Charan is eating something very fancy in a butta. Mexican bowl. Beans, paneer, corn,
That's
quinoa.
tofu.
There's something called quinoa. Quinoa. Modem తినడంట. His stomach is once again upset. You want only bondas.
ఇంకా పోతాను నేను పైకి.
Alright, back home. Time is around 10:20 in the night. Usually we get late when we meet friends, especially after meeting like so many days ke baad. 4 days into 24 hours. Anyways, now I'll start my edit. Daily vlogs ka series is going good. Definitely it is tiresome by the time you finish vlogging. Another 2 to 3 hours of edit, so time should be around 1 o'clock. So then I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. In case you did, I think you did, so hit the like button, do share, do comment. Do not forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Oh, by the way, you have to definitely subscribe now because some things are confirmed about my travel. Yes, I'm gonna travel, but this is gonna be something very different. I'm pretty sure. See, this is not hype. It is definitely gonna be very exciting. Bike delivery, yes, hote rehta, but this is something a little bit different, and I'm personally really excited about it. Can you guess what is happening? If you can, comment section mein dal do.